Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. This is Redmi 7 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take slow motion video in Redmi 7 smartphone. First, open camera in your phone and go to video mode. Click here and click this option slow motion. Now record the video. I record like this. Hi. Welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. Take care. Bye. Now you stop the video. This is the file I have saved. This is the video file. I want to play it now. It will be playing in slow motion. See here. See the action, it's in very slow. So in this way you can record slow motion video in Redmi 7 smartphone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.